Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC U1281, indicates that there is a communication issue related to the left side or right side BSI, bumper sensor interface radar unit, in the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. This DTC suggests that the radar units, which play an essential role in various safety features, are not properly communicating with the Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, MICU, or the Body Control Module, BCM. The BSI radar units are usually located near the bumper area, integrated into the vehicle's body to monitor surroundings for various systems such as adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance. Proper functionality of these radars is crucial as they ensure the vehicle's safety features operate reliably. Complications in this communication can stem from a variety of factors, including electrical issues or radar unit failures. It's important to diagnose promptly to prevent any safety concerns. The error description under DTC U1281 points out that there are communication failures between the BSI radar units on both the left and right sides of the vehicle, and the two significant control units, the MICU and BCM. The MICU, or Microcomputer Integrated Control Unit, is responsible for managing various electronic functions in the vehicle, while the BCM, or Body Control Module, oversees a range of body-related aspects such as lighting and locking mechanisms. The BSI radar units, situated close to the vehicle's bumpers, are designed to detect objects and maintain safe driving parameters, crucial for advanced safety technologies. When they lose communication, it can affect all systems relying on these inputs, highlighting the importance of addressing the issue quickly. Investigating the source of this communication failure is paramount to ensure vehicle safety features remain operational. Several potential causes may lead to DTC U1281 being triggered. Firstly, electrical issues within the radar units themselves can lead to failed communication with the control units. This could be due to problems within the circuit board or physical damage affecting functionality. Wiring problems present another possibility. Damaged or corroded harnesses may hinder effective communication between the radar units, MICU, and BCM. Additionally, a failing BSI radar unit can also be at the root of the issue, impairing its ability to send or receive signals. Ultimately, thorough testing is required to determine the exact cause of the communication failure, which will inform the necessary steps for resolution. When DTC U1281 is active, various symptoms may surface indicating the malfunction of the BSI radar units. First and foremost, drivers may notice that certain safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, or collision warning systems, become inoperative. This is a critical safety concern as it eliminates support that these features provide in maintaining safe driving conditions. Additionally, the illumination of DTC indicators on the dashboard serves as a straightforward warning that attention is needed. Depending on the severity of the communication breakdown, the vehicle may also present system warnings or errors indicating specific malfunctions associated with the radar units. Addressing these symptoms promptly is vital to ensure the continued functionality of the vehicle's safety systems. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC U1281 involves verifying the problem with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which powers the electronic functionalities necessary for diagnostics. Afterward, utilize the HDS to clear any DTCs that may be present, including U1281, to reset the system status. Once this is done, turn the vehicle off, which is crucial to reset the communication pathways between the control units and radar sensors. After that, turn the vehicle back on and wait for at least 2 seconds, allowing systems to reboot properly. This process is essential in determining if the issue is a temporary glitch or a persistent communication failure. In the second step of troubleshooting, it's crucial to check for DTCs again using the HDS immediately after completing the reset process. This is designed to ascertain whether DTC U1281 has reappeared, indicating that the communication issue persists. If DTC U1281 is indicated, further investigation is required, particularly focusing on the multiplex integrated control system. Conversely, if U1281 is not present, this may suggest an intermittent failure, which implies the system is currently functioning correctly, but may have a fault that could re-emerge later. Understanding the results of this check is essential in determining whether to proceed with additional diagnostics or to investigate further into potential intermittent issues. After performing necessary repairs or replacements related to the BSI radar units that were found to be faulty or had communication issues, a final verification step is critical. Begin by confirming that communication between the BSI radar units and the MICU or BCM has been restored, which is essential for functionality. Following this, it is important to test the vehicle's safety features to ensure that all systems reliant on radar inputs are operating correctly and effectively. Additionally, it is advisable to conduct another scan using the HDS to check for any new DTCs that may have emerged, ensuring that previous issues have been resolved and that no further complications exist. Documenting these findings provides crucial insight into the vehicle's current operational status. Preventive maintenance is crucial in helping to avoid issues such as DTC U1281 in the future. Regularly inspecting the BSI radar units will allow for early detection of wear and tear or damage that might lead to communication failures. It's equally important to check the wiring harnesses connected to the radar units. Any signs of corrosion, fraying, or loose connections should be addressed promptly to maintain a good electrical connection. Additionally, keeping sensors clean and free from obstructions such as dirt or debris will ensure they function correctly and provide accurate readings. Implementing these preventive measures will contribute significantly to long-term vehicle reliability and safety. In summary, DTC U1281 indicates a lost communication issue between the left and right BSI radar units with the MICU or BCM. It is crucial to act quickly to investigate the problem to keep essential safety functionalities operational. Verification steps involving the HDS assist in determining whether the issues are transient or require more intensive repairs. If communication issues persist, replacing the defective radar units becomes necessary to restore full system functionality. Preventive maintenance measures will help keep this communication stable and mitigate similar problems in the future. By being proactive and diligent, vehicle reliability and safety features can be maintained at optimal performance levels. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.